Hello, Patriots. I'm going to show you how to access Gemini, which is now available to all faculty and staff. And you can do that right from any Google page that you're on. You can simply go to your waffle, click on your waffle. You should see Gemini in your list of apps. Click on Gemini. So now that we're inside of Gemini, the first thing we want to do is enter a prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in a prompt. Please create a lesson plan about cell structure. And we're going to hit enter. So it's going to kick back. So what it did for me now, it actually kicked back the subject, biology, the grade level, but I didn't tell it any of that. I didn't give it any type of specific detail. This is just what it kind of came up with and gave back to me, which is pretty good. But the thing about Gemini is the better information you feed it, the more specific the results are going to be when it comes back. So there's actually a guide that I'm going to include in a link with this video. It's actually a building blocks guide from Google. And I am now going to use that guide's building blocks to be able to show you how to enter a more specific prompt to get a better result. So based on my original prompt, please create a lesson plan about cell structure. It gave me back some pretty good information, but it's not as thorough as it could be. So right now I'm going to show you the how to write a prompt guide. This is from Google. It actually breaks it down into kind of a parts building block system. So parts being persona, aim, recipients, theme, structure. This is kind of going to be your guide to be able to build a more thorough prompt. So for the purpose of examples, I actually went back in and I created a more specific prompt. So instead of saying just simply, please create a lesson plan about cell structure, I came in and said, I'm a 7th grade biology teacher and I'm looking to create a 5-day lesson plan on cell structure, specifically the difference between plant cells and animal cells. Start the lesson plan with an exciting intro to gain students' interest. Be sure to include hands-on activities that are engaging and insightful. Please include differentiation to accommodate different learning styles and speeds. Please end the lesson plan with a summative assessment. Now let's hit enter and see what it gives us. So it gave us a theme, cellular showdown, plants versus animal, who wins. That's kind of making it exciting. And then from day 1 all the way down to day 3, it breaks down and kind of gives us time frames, objectives, intros. It gave me what I was looking for when I said, hey, create something engaging to capture the student's interest. And then you can go through and see the specifics of what it gives back to you. So whenever you're coming into Gemini and you're entering prompts, please use this how-to guide as a reference. And again, I'll include this in video. And as always, if you need any help, please come by IT. Thank you.